Hi, I'm Dawn Kelly, and I'm an HR manager, and the All-on-4 procedure has changed my life. So my teeth have never been good. I've been to many dentists throughout the years and finally found Dr. Fletcher about 7 years ago. And it's always embarrassing to go to a new dentist because I know that my teeth are terrible. You know, I already had missing teeth. Lots of them were broken already. I work in HR, I'm a public speaker. I get invited to events where I'm on stage and trying to engage with an audience, and laughing is who I am. I'm known for faces and laughing and always loud. In the last few years, I've had to kind of hone in some of that, where I'm covering my face or not laughing as loud or trying to be somebody different. I was spending thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars out of my own pocket in addition to my insurance to try and be somewhat presentable, and it just wasn't making a difference. We started talking heavily about what my options were. I decided that, okay, I'm gonna do the All-on-4. And he told me that there was only one person he trusted, and that person was Dr. Barber. He referred me over to Greater Modesto, and I came into the office and met Dr. Barber.
So when Dawn came into our office for her initial consultation, potentially regarding an All-on-4 treatment or a new smile, I could tell right away she knew what was going on. Her dentist had prepared her with a lot of great information. She had done some of her own research, but she had been through a lot, and she shared her story with us. And I knew right away that I wanted to be a part of that and to be positive foundations that we could build the foundation for her new smile.
He talked about All-on-4, he talked about a couple of different options. Dr. Fletcher recommended him as being the only person, and so I scheduled that same day. I walked out, scheduled it, and I knew that it wasn't time to change my mind. This was something that needed to happen for me.
This is something that I absolutely love to do because we get to see someone go from, whether it's difficulty with their smile or a lack of confidence with their smile, not able to chew all the way, or maybe they're having pain with their teeth, and then take them to a place where they are smiling beyond belief, and that just makes my day. And so probably the happiest day, even though the consult was amazing, was the day she came, we finished, and then she came back after healing and whatnot, and she just had the biggest smile from ear to ear. And that to me is what it's really all about.
They held a mirror up to me, and I did get to smile that day, and I did get to look in that mirror that day, and I did get to see a beautiful smile immediately that day. And Dr. Barber and his team is the reason I got to see that beautiful smile that day. Immediately, I knew that it was 1,000% worth it, that all these struggles for 40 years was done, that I was the confident person that I had always been. And I have nothing but thank you for Greater Modesto, Dr. Barber, for his vision in getting me where I am today. I would absolutely do it again. It's a priceless investment into me. Priceless investment into me. If you are considering this and you're not really sure, absolutely get it done. The only person that you are doing this for is you, and it's time to put you first. Quit being last on your list of people to take care of. Put yourself number one. Get it done.